Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam nabiyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat ng mga taga-subaybay, mga taga-tangkilik sa ating mga munting kaalaman patungkol sa safety. Ito na naman po tayo, ang inyong lingkod, si Mr. Ibrahim Briones Antiquina, isa pong safety advocate. Mabuhay po ang lahat ng mga safety advocate sa buong mundo at lalong-lalo na sa mga Filipino safety advocate. By the way, ang ibahagi natin ngayon regarding sa duties and responsibility of safety supervisor. Ano ba ang duties and responsibility ng safety supervisor? Dapat mahalaga itong malalaman, lalo na yung mga safety advocate or mga safety officer natin gusto magiging supervisor, at least meron siyang kaalaman kung ano ang mga duties and responsibility niya kapag siya ay magiging safety supervisor. Ang safety supervisor, he is overall responsible for monitoring to all operations from even the production or to all operation at the work site. Kahit pa sa ano pa yan, sa construction site, sa industry, general industry site. So, in short, he is overall responsible for monitoring. Aside from that, the safety supervisor, he should report directly to his safety manager. So, yun ang pinaka ano niya, na lahat ng mga issues na hindi niya kayang masolusyonan and they need the involvement of a safety manager, so he should report it immediately to safety manager. And what else? The safety supervisor, he is direct responder in case of any issues and responsibility doon sa site na kailangan yung atensyon niya or tulong niya doon sa kanino, doon sa kanyang mga safety officer. So, yung safety officer under on his responsibility, yung mga nasa site. Of course, the overall responsible, their top HCC department, the safety manager. Yan ang pinaka-overall nila. Pero we are talking about the safety, the supervisor responsibility. So, the safety supervisor, kapag mayroong problema sa site niya at ang safety officer ay kailangan yung support niya dahil may mga mataas na katungkulan sa construction site like supervisor, site engineer na ayaw sumunod, ayaw pagkatiwalaan ng safety officer. So, ang safety officer mag-report sa supervisor and then the supervisor directly give his respond to or help to his safety subordinate or the safety officer. So, anong gagawin ng safety supervisor? Kausapin niya ng maayos yung project engineer o yung supervisor. Kapag may mag-interfere na mataas, katulad ng mga construction manager or the project manager, so kapag hindi niya kaya, doon niya ngayon tatawagin yung safety manager niya. So, i-involve na niya yung safety manager para yung managers to manager. Sila yung mag-uusap ngayon. Manager to manager. Di ba? Sila ngayon. So, out na yung kung kailangan na yung management responsibility, the top management responsibility, its department or its organization. Pag sinabi natin its department or its organization ng construction, yung head at saka yung head ng HCC department. Tandaan natin, we are independent department, hindi tayo under sa any organization. Okay? Yan ang trabaho natin. Then, what else? The safety supervisor, kailangan he have the right to conduct orientation and training to all employees. Okay? Of course, the safety officer, he can do it that one in his specific area. Okay? But in the overall, at site, pwede ang manager, but of course, the supervisor, he is as what I've said, he is overall responsible for the operation inside the working site. Okay? So, he is the one direct to correct the unsafe act or unsafe condition. Okay? He is the one to prevent the lingering unsafe or unhelpful workplace. Yan ang isa sa niya. How about the incident? Of course, if there is incident or accident or near misses, he is also the one who direct give investigation. And then he is the one also to promote quick return to work. Okay? Pag kailangan niyo yung safety manager, alam niya kung kailan niya kailangan yun. Okay? That's why the safety supervisor, he is the overall monitoring at site. Okay? He is overall responsible in terms of safety. Okay? So, what else? Ano pang responsibility ng safety supervisor? Ayun, nasabi na natin, no? Siya yung pinaka-direct concerned person na kapag kailangan ng tulong yung mga safety officer niya. So, overall, he should monitor overall at site kung saang mga area. Siya rin ang kukulik ng mga information, ng mga report sa kanya mga safety officer. So, he should gather all the information, all the reports. So, para ma-file ito or mabigyan ng action kapag may mga unnecessary things that they need to fix it, they need to give an action, di ba? So yan ang trabaho ng safety supervisor. Okay? So I hope nakapagbigay tayo ng kunting kaalaman patungkol sa duties and responsibility of safety supervisor. And once again po, don't forget to subscribe, i-click nyo ang notification bell at paki-follow na rin po. So abangan ninyo ang sunod nating talakayin, yung responsibility ng safety manager and safety officer. Isa-isahin natin para hindi tayo So maraming salamat po.